Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you Edit's interface, its tools and layout. When you open the Edit's workspace, you'll see a cleaner, more professional looking interface. Now let's break it down. Start by creating a project. At the center you have your video preview area. This is where you can play and pause. On the opposite side of the play button are two arrows. They are your undo and redo buttons. And right in the middle is where you'll see some numbers. So this will tell you the timestamp of your video, how far along you are in the editing. And you'll see a line going down the middle. This is your playhead, and above your playhead are some numbers. This as well tells you the entire length of your project and where you are at the current moment. Then below the video preview area is the timeline. This is where all your clips, music, and text layers will appear. You can scrub through your clips to see how your edits look. You can drag to reorder clips. You can pinch to zoom in for precision, and you can tap any element to make adjustments. And exactly below is the toolbar. You'll find editing tools like trimming, splitting, speed control, filters, and text. You will also see options to add music or sounds. Or right above your timeline is the plus add audio button. You can also click on that and that will open up your audio library. One of the best things about this layout is that it's non-destructive, meaning you can tweak and retweak without losing your progress. Edits is simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for creators who want total control.